You just finished setting up your WhatsApp account and wondering how you can actually compose and then send message, or even how to find your contact. Don't worry, I got you covered. It's JK here. Welcome to the channel. Without much ado, this is how to send your first message on WhatsApp. To open your WhatsApp app, now at the bottom right corner, you see the chat icon there. You tap on it. Now on this screen, you should have the list of all your contacts that are on WhatsApp. Or better still, use the search icon here to find a specific contact. So J. Okay. So I want to send this message. So you tap on the particular contact you wish to send the message to. Now on this interface, you have the video call, the voice call, and then settings, view contact, media links, document, mute notification, disappearing messages, wallpaper, more. And then at the bottom here, you have message. So you tap, then you compose your message. Then tap on the green icon here to send the message. Let's say you want to add an emoji. You click on the emoji sign here to insert emoji. Or tap on the attachment icon here to send a document, send a video, a picture, an audio, send a location, or even send a contact. So this sign means the message has not been delivered, and this usually happens when you don't have an internet connection. A single tick means the message has been sent but not yet delivered to the recipient, and this usually happens when the recipient doesn't have access to internet connection. A double tick means the message has been delivered to the recipient, and a blue double tick means the recipient has read your message. But there's a feature which allows you to turn off blue ticks, so it's possible the recipient has seen and read your messages but didn't show blue ticks. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and then subscribe to this channel for more. See you in the next one.